how is your day going so far? My name is Yevhen. I work at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, a local Canadian appliance repair company. It's time to fix English appliances. In this video I will show the process of diagnosing and repairing an English YIED 5900HW1 dryer that is not heating. Repair and maintenance of the dryer are carried out in the Lakewood area of Winnipeg. The report malfunction. The English dryer operates without heating and does not dry clothes. I begin diagnostics. Having turned on the drying mode, I made sure that the heating element did not turn on and accordingly drying clothes is not possible without heating. To identify the cause, I completely disassemble the dryer and gain access to all the components. Visual observations revelate the need to clean the dryer from lint. I used a multimeter to measure the technical parameters of all components. Gotcha! I found a faulty thermal fuse in the heater's main control board circuit. I replaced it with a new one. Success! The dryer correctly performs all its operating algorithms after replacing the sensor. I vacuum up all the lint inside and completely assemble the dryer. I conduct final test on all nodes, everything works, and the English dryer is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing an English dryer or questions about any other appliances, shoot us in the comments, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on servicing appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.